Hey all, well, look what I got today. Let's have a look. Well, looks like I've got a Qt-wp12. Now, the box is a little bit battered here, which is a bit concerning. But yeah, you guys may have seen it around. I don't see many videos on what this is like or unboxing or whatever, so here you go. Anyway, I got it from Banggood. The link will be below. It's by Qyt, and basically it's small. Okay, let's open it up. Now then, what do we got here? Okay, we've got the user manual. I shall go through that a little bit later. Hopefully it's a bit better than some of the manuals you get from these manufacturers. But yeah, there's the manual. Oh, some fixing screws, mounts, fuse, odd and bod bits in there. And you've got the handset. Okay, so okay. Okay, yes, that looks pretty good. Not too difficult. Nice, gentle but good click. Yep, all the buttons seems to be okay. It looks like it. Don't know really what that is. A DIN connector of some type. Okay, and then we have well, don't know what you guys call it where you are, but in the UK we call this a cigarette lighter socket, but they don't really use it for that anymore. But anyway, you get that, so you can plug it straight into the 12-volt power door. And finally, oh, okay, we have the little bracket, which is well, covering the unit. Anything else in here? No, nothing more in the box. Okay, so this is the actual radio. Look at that. Look at the size of it. It's tiny. You got your standard PL or S, I can't remember exactly which one it is. Power supply. Where the headphone plugs into, and what is that called? Okay. It's called, the programming slot is called the data hole. Interesting. Okay. I guess that should... There's a slight sort of recess there. So you plug that in like that. And that will be connected on like that. Okay. So that's a basic unboxing of it. Okay, the manual does look a little better than normal. I'll have to go through and just look at the translations because sometimes it's not great. Yep, okay, the next video will be me trying it out. I also need to work out how to program it. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.